I am reviewing this brand smart switch right out of the box. You get 4 of these smart switches. And I tell you, this brand right here is by far the easiest that I have used, that is easy to set up and easy to integrate. You get 4 in the box to include 4 individual covers. And here it is right here. It was not difficult to set up. And as I said, the integration was great. And right here, you can see that I can turn it off and on by the touch of the pad. But the integration is great. I'm using Alexa. I am using the Echo 2nd generation. So let me just show you how that works. Alexa, turn off office lights. Okay. Alexa, turn on office lights. Okay. As you can see, it works perfectly with Alexa. And also, you have to download the app to use this. However, I am using the Smart Switch app, and it has worked with a number of different brands, but it really does sync with this brand right here. So here it is right here. I'm using the 3-way, and again, hey, there's nothing not to like about the integration, about the setup, and the quality of the switch itself. This one here gets my 5-star rating.